morning guys. This is my activity for today. International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships, MARPOL. Adoption 1973, Convention 1978. Annex 6, entry into force to October 2, 1983. Annexes 1 and 2. The International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships is the main international convention covering prevention of pollution of the marine environment by ship from operational or accidental causes. The MARPOL Convention was adopted on November 2, 1973 at IMO. The Protocol of 1978 was adopted in response to a spate of tanker accident in 1976 to 1977. As the 1973 MARPOL Convention had not yet entered into force, the MARPOL 1978 Protocol observed the parent convention. The combined instrument entered into force on October 2, 1983. In 1997, a protocol was adopted to amend the convention and a new Annex 6 was added, which entered into force on May 19, 2005. MARPOL has been updated by amendments through the years. The convention includes regulation aimed at preventing and minimizing pollution from ships, both accidental pollution and that from routine operations, and currently includes 6 technical annexes. Special areas with strict controls on operational discharges are included in most annexes. Annex 1. Regulations for the prevention of pollution by oil. Covers prevention of pollution by oil from operational measures as well as from accidental discharges. The 1992 amendments to Annex 1 made it mandatory for new oil tankers to have double hulls and brought in a phase-in schedule for existing tankers to fit double hulls, which was subsequently revised in 2001 and 2003. Annex 2. Regulations for the control of pollution by noxious liquid substances in bulk. Details the discharge criteria and measures for the control of pollution by noxious liquid substances carried in bulk. Some 250 substances were evaluated and included in the list appended to the convention. The discharge of the residues is allowed only to reception facilities until certain concentration and condition, which vary with the category of substances are complied with. In any case, no discharge of residues containing noxious substances is permitted within 12 miles of the nearest land. Annex 3. Prevention of pollution by harmful substances carried by sea and package port. Contains general requirements for the issuing of detailed standards on packing, marking, labeling, documentation, stowage, quantity limitations, exceptions, and notifications. For the purpose of this annex, harmful substances are those substances which are identified as marine pollutants in the International Maritime Dangerous Code, or which meet the criteria in the appendix of Annex 3. Annex 4. Prevention of pollution by sewage from ships. Contains requirements to control pollution of the sea by sewage. The discharge of sewage into the sea is prohibited, except when the ship has in operation an approved sewage treatment plant, or when the ship is discharging comminuted and disinfected sewage using an approved system at a distance of more than 3 nautical miles from the nearest land. Sewage which is not comminuted or disinfected has to be discharged at a distance of more than 12 nautical miles from the nearest land. Annex 5. Prevention of pollution by garbage from ships. Deals with different types of garbage and specifies the distance from land and the manner in which they may be disposed. The most